guys, this is Tanya with Life Voyages. Today we are in Donner State Park in Truckee, California. It's a little warm, it's about 85 today, so inside the van it's a little toasty right now. But in the shade and when the sun goes down it gets really cool and nice. We're right by a creek or a river, the Truckee River. Anyway, we'll show you around.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
And straight ahead is the van. We have water here right outside our camp, which is there through the trees. And then right next to the camp, right there is more water. There's water everywhere. Seriously, every so many camps and there's more and more water spouts. Anyway, and there's the van. And here is our bear locker. Yes, it's bear country. So they warn you. Keep everything inside here or inside your vehicle. You cannot leave it out unattended or the bears will get it. Got an intruder in the camp and it's not a bear. They did warn us about bears, but we have this guy, chipmunk, looking for food. Camp intruder. Our campsite has a nice built-in rock barbecue, the bear locker, and a fire pit and a picnic table. And there's the van in the woods here at Donner State Park. Those are some really, really big trees. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at this. We went on our little walk from our camp, very short walk, and this is what we found. Ooh, beautiful. Fishing right here. So pretty. Wow. I just almost fell on my butt. I know, that would have been a good one as I fall down. Oh my gosh. Going down this steep hill. Anyway, it's beautiful, but I'm about ready to fall again. No, just so slide. I know. I gotta take a film of this thing I slid down. Oh, no. You're gonna fall. This hill right here is where I just slid down. Anyway, it's not that steep, but for me it was apparently. Anyway, here we are. Beautiful. And there's my daughter Caitlin, the one that helped me up. Beautiful. Wow, this is pretty. Cute. And the littlest fisherman. attended bathrooms. They look pretty nice. They don't look too bad. There's showers. Okay, that's good. So it's not just toilets. There is also showers. Nice, not too shabby. There is a very nice wheelchair accessible paved area to the bathrooms. So that is really nice. You hardly see that. There is lots of water spouts every so many feet actually, so that's really good too.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
So we are going to pop some Jiffy Pop over the campfire. So let's see how this works. We don't have a flat spot, so we're just gonna have to hold it the best we can. Let's see how this Jiffy Pop works over the campfire. We're not doing s'mores tonight, we're doing popcorn because I just love popcorn. Just kind of move it around, like shake it on the grate.
Why on the grate?
Just easier to hold it when it's got up against something. And somebody's yelling in the background.
There's some crazy partiers here.
Crazy party people.
Are you sure you saw how you do it?
Got it? Yay! Grab the other one. Let's see. Yay! Popcorn!
Popcorn!
Yay,
We love
we love
popcorn!
popcorn! Okay. Yummy, yummy buttery popcorn. Yum. These are quavers, but.
Your favorite snack?
There you go. Bye, Donner State Park. We'll be back next year with Derek this time. We're going to stop and show you a few more things before we leave. forest firewood right here, $10 a bundle. And propane recycling, which is really nice. There are cabins available for rent as well.